Hey guys, so I know that it's been way too long since I last filmed a full cleaning video, but this is only going to be part one, and I do plan on filming a second part to this. And on that one, I'll be doing my son's room and the living room, but on this video, I'm just doing the kitchen and my bedroom. So if you're wondering what I keep looking to my right at, is this little Google display, and I'm watching YouTube. I'm actually watching Paging Dr. Dre right now, and she's helping me get through washing these dishes because this is one of my least favorite chores. But it's actually getting better the older I get, because when I was younger, I absolutely hated washing dishes. But now I would rather do dishes than clean my bathtub. That's like definitely my least favorite thing to do now, but I mean, you have to take showers and baths, so what can you do? So I also want to address this brown crazy looking pan. I really used to judge people that kept pans like this, but now I totally understand and I get why they do that, because this pan just for some reason works so good and I just don't want to get rid of it. I literally purchased an entire brand new pot and pan set, but I still just cannot part with this little burnt up looking pan. But I don't know, I might let go of it soon because I do realize it's becoming an eyesore, but I just still love it. So I rent my apartment and I absolutely hate this faucet and how low it is. So let me know if you guys have replaced your faucet in a rental, because I'm really considering doing that, because this is just like so annoying. I really envy those people that have like the extendable faucets where they could just stretch it out and have like a sprayer to wash their dishes so much more conveniently, because this is such a headache, like having to make sure you're getting underneath this little low faucet. But it's fine. I mean, I've been dealing with it for years, so whatever. My son eats so much, and I just noticed that because of all of his little dishes that I always clean in the sink. And it's so funny because for him to be so small, he eats so much food. You guys have probably noticed that I have mostly white dishes, and that's because I just absolutely love white dishes with like texture and cute detail on them. So whenever I'm at like TJ Maxx or the thrift store or a Target or a place like that, I always look at the white dishes, and I've just built a nice little collection of white glass dishes because that's just what I love. So now I'm moving on to cleaning the sink, and I really always use Ajax or Comet when I'm doing this because I just like feeling like I'm really scrubbing it and getting a good scrub. But anyway, now you see me cleaning out some kidney beans from my drain because I made curry chicken the other day, and that was like in my drain. So yeah, I think that Ajax is just one of those classic cleaning products, so it's going to be hard for me to stop using this. I probably should try something with like a less abrasive texture, but I don't know. This is just one of those things that I'm probably always going to use. So here you just see me cleaning out the drains of the sink, and I'm only doing this because I'm going to be getting rid of this sponge and switching it out. I would never do this and then just like keep the sponge and clean my dishes. I just feel like that would be disgusting. So yeah, this is going straight to the garbage can. And let me tell y'all about that little chicken pack y'all just saw in the garbage. So I made an entire thing of, well, not an entire thing, but half a thing of chicken. And I just forgot all about it and left it in my air fryer because I was making this cleaning video. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up because I sacrificed my delicious air fried chicken to make it. No, I'm just joking. But yeah, I would appreciate you guys liking this video. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you do that. So now that the sink is all clean, I'm going to spray the inside and shine it up a little bit with this peppermint sage spray that I found at Dollar Tree. So I've had these green soaps on my counter for a few months now, but I couldn't take it anymore. So basically I'm just pouring it out into this vase, and I have to find another way to store this soap because I don't want to just waste all of it, but I will be getting rid of a little bit of it and just replacing it with this clear soap that I found on sale for $2.50. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm just like overly sensitive to bright colors. So certain colors just like distract me too much. I don't think that it's like a real issue, but it's like I just like for my home to be pretty neutral. So I can look at colorful things outside and it won't like bother me, but in my home, I just like my space to be very calming and like relaxing. So that's why I prefer to have a lot of my spaces just be neutral colors, because I find that that's just way more calming. So I've actually had these black curtains for years, but they were missing for some reason. I couldn't find them for like an entire year. And then I looked into like this little forgotten space and found them. So I was so excited to hang them back up. But as you can see, they look like they're too short now. And the reason for that is because I raised the curtain rod to put the other curtains on. So I had to basically readjust the curtain rod and put it back at a lower level so that I could use the black curtains. I started to just, give up and keep the beige curtains up, but I said, no, I'm not going to be lazy. Let me just go ahead and readjust this curtain rod. And luckily the screws were already or the holes for the screws were already pre-drilled. So it wasn't, a super hard process, but it did tack on an extra half an hour to my kitchen cleaning. All right, guys, so this is my favorite thing to do around my apartment, and that's just restage items and move things around. I really feel like it makes a big difference, like just seeing your space look different from day to day. I don't know, I just really enjoy this. I think that would be like one of my dream jobs, being like a stager for maybe a real estate agency or something. And yeah, now I'm just putting a new garbage bag into my garbage can because I had some existing garbage and I took that out. And after this, I'm just going to be moving on to my fridge and cleaning the outside of it. I recently cleaned the inside of the fridge, so I didn't need to do that on this video, but I'm just wiping the outside of the fridge down with some Method glass cleaner. And I know some people have stainless steel cleaner, but to me that's just unnecessary. So yeah, I'm just wiping the fridge down with this and it works perfectly fine. Alright guys, so it's the next day and I'm just making my bed, and I'm just using some very basic bedding. So I'm putting on white clean sheets, some black satin pillowcases to protect my hair, and then I'm just putting like a big throw at the bottom of the bed, and then these 2 euro pillows, and that's it. So now we're moving on to dusting the vanity, and once I'm done with the vanity, I'm just going to move over to my dresser and also clean my television. Alright guys, so you've made it to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for part 2, where I'll be cleaning my son's room as well as the living room. Leave me a heart in the comments to let me know that you made it all the way to the end, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.